Now just remember guys, when we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a splitter, a front lip, or something for the car. This is late, but and if not, you should get this coilover. I think it's time for the reveal. Hopefully she likes it. Fingers crossed. Let's see what she says. That's the coilovers.
Yay! I can scream.
Huh?
I can scream.
Yeah, she'll dance another time. But Nikki, you still got the piña.
Yeah.
I have no choice.
Yeah.
What?
What are you doing?
You gotta carry the coilovers.
No, I can't.
Here.
Damn.
Alright, so she got her coilovers. Guess what time it is now? She has to open it. Whew. Let's see how she reacts. She can't scream because it's late, but
Oh my god, that's pretty. It's Christmas.
how many people does it take to get some coilovers?
Oh my god. That's pretty. I like it. I mean, the color is pretty. And they match with my car.
It's pretty cool. Alright,
Yeah.
let me see. Damn, look at
I
these.
hope they fix like they feel like really nice in the car.
I think they will. I mean, honestly, it looks really, really good. Thanks to Maxpeedingrods for sending these out for us. We're gonna try it, see how they are. She's excited. She likes it. So,
My first coilover. Oh my god.
her first coilover. Honestly, I think that's her baby right now.
I'm excited.
When are we gonna put it on?
Huh?
When are we gonna put it on?
Tomorrow.
Soon.
Yeah.
Soon. We'll do it tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, today's the day we are putting the coilovers on the car. Before we get started, I would like to thank today's sponsor, Maxpeedingrods, for sending out the coilovers. It was super quick, super fast shipping, and honestly, it looks great. So let's go check out the quality right now. Like I said, thank you to Maxpeedingrods. Now, they sell a whole bunch of things, anything from turbos, rods, coilovers, air suspension, they sell a lot of things for many different cars. In the description, there is a code for you guys. Just go onto the website and put the code LABS, and you will get 15% discount on anything that you order. Well, that's another thing. They even use these on like race cars, like, you know, all around the world or whatever.
I am British and World Touring Car Independent Driver Champion. I'm currently here at Maxpeedingrods Workshop.
Like drift cars, freaking circuit cars and all that. So if you trust your product so much to use it on the racetrack, they must be good. There we are. Like you guys know, I used to run BC coilovers, and I'm running right now reaction coilovers on my Maxima. I'm pretty familiar with how, you know, coilovers are supposed to ride, how they're supposed to feel and all that. So off the bat, honestly, these look promising. So they have the, you hear it? For dampening, they have camber adjustment, come with the bolts already. Like, just the overall quality of this thing looks pretty good. So some people, you know, looks can be deceiving, but we're gonna try these out. I'm gonna try them out and I'm gonna let you guys know how they are. Comes with your little spanner wrench adjuster thingy, Maxpeedingrods. These have a good weight to them too. Like, you know, they literally feel like the more expensive one, like a BC or anything. Like BC's reaction, they feel just like that, to be honest. So these are adjustable too. You guys can see it here. Some people know these coilovers or the brand of these coilovers. Some people say, yeah, they suck. Some people say they're actually good. We're gonna test them out. We're gonna see how they feel, and I'm gonna let you guys know if you should cop them or not. So enough talking. Let's go install it on the Lancer. Let's go. Slam it on the floor. Go to the price. gotta take 1, 2, and 3 out. All right, this is what I'm using, the Ryobi One Plus. I have a link to this in the description, guys, so if you want to check it out, this comes really handy when you're working on the car, and it's not even that big, and it's like super light. All right, okay, we took the wheel off. One thing off the bat that I see that I know the coilovers don't have is this thing right here. Like, once I put the coilovers, where is that gonna go? I don't know. We'll figure it out. This is the first time I'm working on a Lancer, but we did it for that one. We can do it for this one. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this one away. Like, I'm gonna just loosen this one, loosen the other one on the bottom, and then I'm gonna loosen this. I'm gonna loosen that, and then this one on the top. Damn. We're gonna have to do something so we can hold this to the coilovers. That sucks. Now, the only thing that I really don't like is this thing, you know, instead of making it like this one that is connected, you know, you gotta bring this one down, blah blah blah. Well, I hope it's right. Shit. We'll figure it out though. All right, guys, first side is on. This one right here. I still don't know where to put this, so I'm gonna just leave that for the end. I tighten this. That might give you some trouble putting it on. You gotta lift it up because it like hangs down. But I moved it all the way down. I hope I did it correct, you know. But yeah. Now let's go on to the other side. All right, we got the front one installed. We're gonna do the rear. One problem though. Do you guys see the amount of camber this thing is freaking? This is insane. Like, look at this. Look at the amount of camber is doing. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the rears, you know, put them on, whatever, and let's see how that goes, and then we'll try to adjust the camber in the front with the camber plates. All right, guys. Had to go out real quick, but this is where we're at right now. All coilovers are on right now. Now I got some explanation to do. And if not, you should get this coilover. As you see, I have freaking bad camber. The coilover kit come with camber plates, so that's not bad. You know, we can fix that, whatever. Now in the back here, it's still pretty damn tall, like 4 fingers. I think it's even taller than it was before. But we had a little issue. Now to get these coilovers off, I mean the suspension off, you gotta remove like all of this, and you have, let's see, a nut right here and one on the other side. So like, you gotta move this, and as you see it right there. Right now the car's a little bit bouncy though. Like, ready? Now watch. It just keeps going. I'm gonna give it some clicks right now to see if that fixes the issue. Since we can adjust our dampers. Oh shit. Never mind, I thought we could freaking adjust it. We can't. We gotta take the whole thing off. Oh hell no. Alright, never mind. To adjust it, we gotta take the suspension off again. That's pretty stupid. Alright, fast forward to like a whole bunch of hours. Here's what we have to do. This is the problem we were having. First we have to preload this. I don't think it came preloaded because the spring moved back and forth. Right now, we're gonna lower the car, but we pretty much maxed out the rear, so it won't go lower anymore. So hopefully it's a good height. If it's too low, I'll just raise it up. Another thing that we had to do. You guys see that washer? Well, guess what? There's like 3 more. There's 2 on that side and 1 on this side. That's what we had to do to keep the coilover from moving, because it used to move back and forth. I guess like that little part back here, this one wasn't wide enough to catch, so I had to go and buy some washers, and I tightened it, and pretty much that's it. Hopefully it's good. We're just gonna try it out. If it doesn't work out, you know, we'll take it off or whatever. Like I said, I'm trying this so you guys don't have to waste your money. And you know, if case it doesn't work, you know, you spend money on it, whatever. So I'm doing this for you guys. Honestly, just making sure if it works, if it's a good deal, I'll let you guys know. So far it's okay. It's, you know, could be better, but it's okay. All right, I'm out of breath. We're done. Even my girlfriend's working. She's putting freaking soundproof thing because of her subs under, like, all that, so it won't rattle anymore. So she's getting that done. Anyways, this is not low enough. This is literally maxed out. It's not low enough, and the front is too low because the back is not low enough. So I gotta raise the front because it looks stupid. This thing all the way down, and then this one freaking normal ride height. This is incredible. Honestly, if I don't like it, I'll just switch it again. So she added carbon fiber door covers, or door whatever thingy covers. And that's been the project of the day. Of the day. Damn.
Just put a lot of.
That's what the car's looking like right now. You guys see the gap in this back? And you guys see not much gap in the front? That's annoying me. Either way, we're gonna be going on bags, so it's time to raise the front. I'll be back. Alright guys, right now we are going to get the car lined. Coilovers are on. My girlfriend took it yesterday to work, and she said it rode okay. It's just making some popping sound, some popping noises. It's like bouncy in the back. That's what she's telling me. So I gave her my car, and I'm driving her car so I can get it. I'm gonna go get it aligned right now. So let's see how the car rides. As of right now, I literally, like, what, 5 minutes away from my house, and the car is a bit bumpy, or not bumpy, but like a little jumpy, whatever. It's like smooth but bouncy at the same time, but not too bad. I do have it all, like 9 clicks from soft to stiff in the back, and all the way soft in the front. But I'm gonna change that in the front and see how I change that in the back, because it's gonna be a bitch to do the back ones, just because of the way the struts are, whatever. Let's see if we bought them out or not. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Only thing I really don't like is that it pops, and like when you turn it pops and stuff like that, and I don't like that. Like, I really don't like that. They're taking the car in. They're gonna go align it real quick, and that's what we're doing. All right, there she is. How's she sitting, guys? Like, let me know. She's not too low. To some people, it probably look even stock height, but we lowered her a bit. All right, guys. So he adjusted the camber plate. You guys can see like the little mark. I had it all the way over here so the car can be, the wheel can be straight. So I had it all the way over here so the wheel can be straight, and he put it back because he adjusted the knuckle. You can't see it, but that right there, he adjusted it and put it a little more out so the wheel can be straighter. Let's see if you guys hear it. You guys heard that? It makes noises, like in the back and like in the front it pops. You hear it? If you guys know why it makes it sound, please comment down below and tell me, so I can try to get rid of it, or I don't know, at least for now. It's weird. It's just when you're turning, like, it absorbs the bumps good, it does everything else good, but when you turn, it pops. It's like pop, pop, pop. Like I don't even know how to explain. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just so weird. It just pops. That's the only complaint I have. It pops, and it's a bit bouncy, but the dampening can fix that. So it fixed it in the front. What is this guy doing? He's just standing there. He has so much space. Dummy. I don't know. Let's see if I can figure out this clunking, like a clunking noise or whatever. But I'm gonna update you guys My girlfriend's gonna drive it. If she doesn't like it, we're gonna take it off. If she doesn't mind, we're just gonna leave it on for now. Eventually soon, we are gonna be putting this car on bags, so subscribe for that. We're gonna get some nice wheels, and we're gonna do a lot to this car. All right, so my initial thoughts on these coilovers, the Maxpeeding coilovers. If you're rolling on a budget, it's not that bad if you think about it. For like a sub $400, like a little bit less than 400, you know, the car rides is not bouncing like when you're going over, when you're driving on these regular streets, the car's not bouncing. Now, if you go over like a big old dip, then you might get a little bouncy, but I think the dampening can solve that, honestly. People bash on these like they're the worst, they're this. I've had BC coilovers, I'm on reaction coilovers on my Maxima, and honestly, this doesn't ride all that bad. You're driving normal and it's not bouncy at all, it's not stiff, it's nothing. The only thing is, you know, those little noises that it makes or whatever, and you can only go so low in the rear, so that's another thing. If you're rolling on a budget and you don't want to spend $1,000, $700, you can try these out. I do have a link in the description, and if you go to the website and put the code LABS, you can get a 15% discount on anything, like from turbos, rods, even these coilovers or whatever. They have them for Maximas, like our year Maxima. They have it for the Lancers. For many cars, they even have airbags. So if you don't want to spend too much money, you can get them. You just know you're gonna have to be friends with a couple of noises, unless you can sort them out, and the ability of not going too low. That's the big factor for some people, but I know there's a lot of people that don't really care about being slammed. Even the guy that aligned the car, he asked me what brand it was, and I told him, and he said they're not horrible, they just need better struts, or better strut tower or something like that, but the springs and everything, they're solid. Now, are they worth it? I think if you don't want to spend over $400, yeah, they're worth it. You know, probably any other brand or no-name brand will be worse, but this company is trying to get better. You know, that's why they sent it out, you know, so I can give some feedback and all that. So, but if you probably save a couple $100 more, you can probably get like some True Hearts or whatever. But even that, I don't know how good they are. They might make the same noise. At least I've heard they make noise and that they fail as well. So it's, you know, it depends on your luck, to be honest. But yeah, guys, that's all. I'm gonna keep you guys updated what we do, if we keep them, if we're not gonna keep them, if I figured out the noises or whatever. But I'm gonna keep you guys posted. But thank you for watching. Go like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway. We're gonna be doing a giveaway, but I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.